POC Network here, and we have another unboxing, this time coming from the company Dreamegg. And this is their sleep therapy sound machine. This is the D1, I believe. Yep, the D1 white noise sound machine. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what's inside the box, and then you'll find more information about this later on at POCnetwork.net, where we're gonna do a full review on this. But for now, let's see what this sound machine's all about. The first thing you run into is just some documentation. You have a 6 months or more, or 6 months more extra warranty if you send your order ID to them via email. In other words, register your product, get extra 6 months. You got a manual to talk to, or to kind of guide you through setting it up. And then you have the device itself. It says in order to pull it out, you got to pull this little tab up. And here is the Dreamegg. It kind of has a decent weight to it. It's not too heavy or anything like that. It has a nice kind of a soft rubber kind of texture to the top and at the bottom as well, and then 4 rubber feet to keep it from sliding around. You have 2 ports on the back. You have a DC 5-volt input for powering it, and you have a headphone jack right there in case you want these to go to your headphones, in case you can sleep with those on. And then you have some buttons on the top. We'll go over that in just a moment. It does come with your cable. You have a USB to the DC cable, as well as a USB to wall adapter right here. And looks like it's an output of 1 amp, and they take care of you for that. And that's the only thing it comes with in the box. So the device itself has some different buttons on there. You have your kind of a minute countdown. So your settings appear for you if you wanted to play for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90 minutes, and it'll auto shut off. So that way it's not playing all night long, just to get you started and get you to sleep. You have a power button to turn it on. You have volume up and down. Looks like this might not be the timer buttons up here. Actually, it looks like just this timer button here, and it'll probably just light up the LED to show you what setting you're on. And then you have 3 settings. So you got white noise, looks like. You have a fan noise, and then you have some music, which is probably gonna be just like, not music, but sounds, nature sounds, things like that. So you can choose which option you want. Each one probably has multiple modes, I'm guessing. And you have a button in the middle right here, kind of looks like an icon of a sun. What this does is it enables the LED light that's going around it right here. And you got 2 different modes to choose from. You have one that's just always on, or you have one that's like pulsing, and they call it breathing. You know, and that's just to help, I guess, make it more soothing to you. Likely for younger kids, children, babies, things like that, not so much adults. But that's it. So Dreamegg, this is their sleep therapy sound machine. You can find out more about this at POCnetwork.net, where we're going to have a whole review about this later on. And that's it. We thank you for watching as always. If you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below. We have a subscription button down there, and plus there'll be one right about here in just a moment. And feel free to share your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, again, we thank you for watching. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.